Today's headline from BBC reads: U.S. conducts strikes on Iran after attack on cargo ship. The article says, U.S. Central Command said it had struck missile and drone storage facilities and coastal radar positions on Friday. In this story, the U.S. military says it attacked several military-related sites in Iran after a cargo ship was attacked. The report says the targets included places connected to missiles, drones, and coastal radar. Let's learn 3 useful English words from this report. The first word we'll look at is conduct. Conduct is a verb. Conduct means to organize or carry out an action, especially something official or planned. Example 1, the U.S. conducted strikes on several military sites. Example 2, the government conducted a safety review after the accident. The next word is drone. Drone is a noun. A drone is an aircraft that can fly without a pilot inside it. Example 1, the report mentioned drone storage facilities. Example 2, drones are often used for filming, delivery, or military operations. Now let's look at coastal. Coastal is an adjective. Coastal means related to the coast, or the area near the sea. Example 1, the strikes included coastal radar positions. Example 2, many coastal cities depend on ships and trade. So today we learned conduct, drone, and coastal. So in today's session, the story is that the U.S. says it conducted strikes on military sites in Iran after an attack on a cargo ship, with targets including missile and drone storage facilities and coastal radar positions. Learn real English through real headlines. Practice your own sentence in the comments. Daily English from the news.